Clay Trader, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDRL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's really just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that it has been a very nice bounce. I don't think anybody's going to argue against the fact that the price has been bouncing very nicely. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, fake move, or in trader lingo, a dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts. And that level is right here at $1.17. Why is $1.17 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.17. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. What happens if the price pulls back here, bounces around like it did right here, so does that again, and then heads back up? What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a big old base of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction, and I'm defining quote-unquote progress as $1.17. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue to fight forward, where are some of these battlegrounds at? First key level has quite a bit of price history, at least by the eyeball test. I think I'm pretty accurate here. Yeah, right here at about $1.35. You can see going back through the history of the chart, rejected the price, got up in the vicinity here, vicinity slightly above it, here the vicinity, here the vicinity. So right around here seems to be that kind of stubborn area at $1.35. Good news is the price closed essentially right up at that level. So assuming there's no gap down, the price will be able to do battle with it right out of the gates tomorrow. And then next key level of resistance after that, right there at $1.40. So $1.35, $1.40, two key levels of resistance going into tomorrow. No doubt about it, though. Very nice bounce underway. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.